Got another artisanal Sudoku puzzle. We're going into the archives for James Sinclair's Injunction. This one is normal Sudoku rules apply. We have killer cages, thermometers, and then white crop key. So white dots are consecutive. Let's see what we can do. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 39. So this will be, it'll just be missing a 1, 5, or, all right, that's fine. Okay, then what do we have here? So this, missing a total of 5. So if this is 10, this equals 35. And if this is 11, this equals 34. Okay, interesting. So we know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but the highest this can be is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has to be a 5. So that just goes in order. Easy enough. So this is now 1, 2, 3. So we know that this is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And since it has to have a 4, it's not going to be that one. Which puts this as 2, 3. And that's 2, 3 as well. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that could be, that can't be a 2, 3 because it's 2 C's that one and that one. So this is going to be a 1, 4. And so is that. So if this is a 1, 4, this is now going to be a 2, 3. And that is going to be a 1, 4. And we can solve that. So that's going to be 4 and that's a 1. Clean that up. So the 4s are now here. Oh, and then I can solve that as well and clean that up. So that's going to be a 1 as well. 2, 3, 4. What about this? Don't know yet. This cannot be a 1, 7 because it sees the 1 there and 1 here. 2, 3. So 2 cannot be 4, 8 because the 4 is definitely here. So 3, 9 or a 5, 7. It's not solved yet. This one cannot be 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. But the 4 sees that one and the 4 sees this one. So 4 cannot be there. So it becomes a 2, 5 and we can solve that. 2 and 5. Oh, didn't want that. I wanted that and that. So now we know the 5 goes here. 5's on the bottom. Okay. Oh, let me clean that up. So this 1, 2. So where's the 4 in this column? Can't be here. It's not on here, so it's going to be here. Good. Which puts this as a 1, 2. It's got a 3, 5. No. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so all we know is that the 3 is here. 3 is on this column. That's fine. We'll get there. And then we know 1s are here and here. This cannot be a 1 because 1 can only connect to a 2 on a white crop key. So then this is a 1. And then we can solve that as a 1, so that's a 7. Which removes this 7. And it removes this 7. And then we can pencil mark the 1s down here. Okay, so this I don't have an answer for it yet. What about this? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. So that's not helpful at the moment. All right, so all we know is that 1s and 4s, no, 4s are down here. 4s cannot be on that one. This could be a 4. No, this cannot be a 4 because the 4 is limited to there. So this is the 4. So then we know the 4 is over here, and it can't be there, and it can't be here, so it's here. So the 4 is there. Love it. All right, so is that all the fours? No, they are missing here and here. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So this is either a 5, 6 or an 8, 9 pair, and that's not solved yet. So we know that the 3 is on that row, 3 is down here. So where's it up here? Don't know yet. Okay. 5 there and there, so these are 5s. Is that helpful? It would be a 5. That cannot be a 5 because it would see the 7, so that's not a 5. If this is a 5, this would be a 3. That's okay, that's possible. I think. Okay. So the 2s are here. If this is a 2, that could not be a 1, but it could be a 3. This is a 2, that would be a 6, and that's possible. All right, so we're gonna put 3s here and 3s there. And 4, 5, we can put 6s here. And 7s as well. How about 8s and 9s? 8 and 9, then remove 8 and 9 from there. And then this cannot be a 3 because that would have to be a 5, but it can't because of that. It could be a 2, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. Not, that's a lot of options. So this could be, this cannot be a 6. So this is now a 2, 7. And if it's a 2, this would be a 6. And if it's a 7, this would be a 1. And the 1s are limited to there, so yes, that's possible. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So this is the 5 options. They can all be 6s. Not helpful. 7, 8, and 9. Okay. This cannot be a 7 because this cannot be a 4. Okay. This cannot be a 9. This is now a 5, 6, 8. I think that's correct. I'm not seeing any glaring issues with that at the moment. No, excuse me, gross. All right, so 2's up here, 2's over here. All right, 1's, let's see, if I put 2's here, but that can't be a 2. I'll do 3's and 3's, that can't be a 3, so we have 3's are up here. And, oh no, I'm sorry, 3, 3, 3, okay. 4's there, we can do 5's, but no, 5's down here, so remove that 5. All right, I'm gonna put 5's there, and then 4's there, just so, oh, and then 3's there, just so I know that it has to be. And I'll do that for 2 while I'm at it. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we can do 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, didn't want to do that. I want to do 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I can remove the 7's from there. All right. I can move this 2. Five, 6, 8, and 9. Okay. This is not going well. All right. All right. So does it make sense Our 1 is here. Does it make sense to put 2s up there? 2 cannot go here because of there. And that's a 2-3 pair, so it can't go here. So I can put 3s there. Not here, not here. So is that a 2-3 pair? No, because the 3 could still go here, because that could be a 3-9. Okay, so it's not a 2-3 pair. Then we have a 4. Then we got 5s, but with that, 5s are not there. Okay. Then we can do 6s. 6, 8, and 9. Alright, so obviously 8 and 9 cannot go in there. This cannot be a 6 because of that 2. This cannot be an 8 because of this. Okay. Is that... Am I making any progress right now? I don't know. All right. So the 2s have to be up here. Those can be 3s, and those can be 3s. 4 is here. 5's already solved, or pencil marked, I should say. 6s are there. That cannot be a 6. Wait, I'm sorry, that cannot be a 6. 7s. As far as I know, 8s, but that can't be an 8. No, that cannot be an 8 because of this 4. And then 9s. So 9s. All right, so this is 3. Oh yeah, 6 cannot be. 6 cannot go on a 12. So that's 3, 9, 5, 7, 3, 9. That's fine. And then 2, 3, 5. So then that cannot be a 7. I think that works. 6, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, that's fine. All right, what am I missing right now? Fives are here. Okay. 5, 6, 8, 9. All right. These can be 2s. But actually, no, 2s cannot go in there because of the 1 and 3. Because the 2 has to see either 1 or 3. So this is a 2. No, it can't be a 2. Ay, ay, ay. So the 2, what am I doing? So 2 cannot be here, cannot be on these, and a 2 cannot be there, so the 2 is here. There we go. Wow. Okay, so this is not a 3, so these cannot be 9s anymore. All right, so that's a 7, that's a 5. 3 and 5. Okay, so then we have 3 here, 2 here. Oh, goodness, that took me way too long to figure out. 5, 3, 5, 7, 7, 3, 2. All right, so that's a 1, 3, 2. Let me clean up a little bit. 7, 1, 2, 5, 7. 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 5, and 1. So this is a 1. It's a 6, 8, 9 triple. Good. So then this is the only option for 2. Remove those 2s. 2s are limited to there now. So that can be a 1, so this cannot be a 7. So it's a 2, 6. 2, 6, 6, 3, 6, 6. So then this is the 3. Move that 6, then that 6, that 6, that 6. So then this is a 3 as well. That's a 2. This cannot be a 3, which we should have already been able to figure out. 7, 8, 9. And then this, remove that. Remove this 6. That's a 5, 8. This would have to be a 6 or a 3, and it cannot be a 3. So this is now a 6. So that's a 5. All right, that's 5, 5. So then this is a 1. It's the only option left. And that's the only option left for a 5. Okay, so then delete this 6, that 6, and then that 6. This is the only option for a 7 in this column now. That's an 8, 9 pair, so this is a 7, that's an 8, so we have 9. Okay, 9, 7, 8, 7, 8, 8. This is a 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, getting there. Move those 9s. I messed up. What did I mess up? 4, 6, 8, 9. No, I didn't. I didn't mess up. Okay. Whew. So remove that 9, so it's a 6-8 pair. Okay. Which puts this as a 5. I can move that 5, so the 5 is there, so this is a 6. Which solves that, and this. Which also solves this. Perfect. Love it. Now I can clean up a little bit. 9s are gone. 6 is gone. 6, 6, 8. Oh, didn't want to do that. 8. That's where I mess up. Oh, this is the only option left for 1. 1s are done. Thank goodness. Okay, so up here is an 8. So this becomes a 9. That's a 6. This is a 9, 6. Nice. 9, 6, 7? Yes, 7. That's a 7-8 pair, so this is a 6 as well. 6 is gone. 6 is gone. 9 is gone. 7 is gone. This is the only option left for 2. 7, 8, 9. All right, 1, 2, 3. This is a 5. 5s are done. So this is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's an 8. That's a 9. So that's a 9. Okay, so this is 1, 2. That's going to be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7s. 8. Oh, this is a 4. And then 9s are going to be here. So move that 4. So this is now a 9. That's a 4. 7, 8 pair. So this is a 9, which forces that to be an 8. So that's a 7, 8, 7, 7, 8, 7. Finish it off with an 8. Oh, goodness. Okay. Took me way too long to crack it, but I like it. I like a little bit of a challenge.